My name is Jody, and I am the owner of All About the Harvest. I teach various ways to preserve your harvest, whether that's from the grocery store, from your garden, or from the wild. Over the course of our journey, I will show you safe and tested canning practices, how to dehydrate and ferment foods, and also how to make things like wine, vinegars, tinctures, cheese, herbal remedies, and much, much more. I will also be sharing kitchen tips and tricks along the way, and of course, I will show you how to use the foods that we've preserved into various recipes. I am excited to share my knowledge with you and hopefully inspire you to try some things as well. Comment below if there is a topic that you'd like to see me cover or a question you'd like to see me answer. This will help guide me on which content I should bring to you next. You can find me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at All About the Harvest. Be sure to follow me there so you don't miss a thing.